What are the best cleaning products or solutions to remove nail polish remover stains effectively?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today, we will be discussing a common issue that a lot of us encounter: nail polish remover stains. Yes, these can be a bit of a nuisance, but don't worry, we've got you covered. We will be exploring the best cleaning products and solutions to tackle these stains effectively. Let's dive right in.
What causes nail polish remover stains?
Nail polish remover often contains chemicals such as acetone, which is a potent solvent. When it comes into contact with certain surfaces, it can cause discoloration or even material damage. This can occur on surfaces like wood, plastic, and even fabrics.
Cleaning products for various surfaces.
1. For fabrics. For fabrics, the best cleaning solution to remove nail polish remover stains is a mixture of dish soap and warm water. This will help to dissolve and lift the stain from the fabric. For stubborn stains, a small amount of hydrogen peroxide can be added. Please remember to do a patch test on an unseen area of the fabric first to ensure it doesn't bleach or discolor the material. 2. For wood. If the stain is on a wood surface, a wood cleaner and polish is your best bet. Ensure that it's suitable for your specific type of wood. This will help not only to remove the stain but also to restore the surface's shine. 3. For plastic. For plastic surfaces, a solution of baking soda and water can be used. This natural abrasive will help to gently scrub away the stain without causing further damage.
How to apply these cleaning solutions.
1. For fabrics. Dab the dish soap solution onto the stain using a cloth. Gently blot the stain, working from the outside in. Rinse with clean water and let it dry. 2. For wood. Apply the wood cleaner and polish as directed on the bottle. Wipe away with a soft cloth. 3. For plastic. Make a paste with the baking soda and water. Apply this to the stain and gently scrub with a cloth. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. So there you have it. These are some of the most effective solutions to clean nail polish remover stains from various surfaces. We hope this guide has been helpful and encourages you to tackle those tricky stains head-on. Remember, it's always key to act fast when a spill happens, so keep these cleaning products handy. Happy cleaning!